talk on the phone or play a video game. That's what a coward do. Because you'll fear that you are inadequate, that you'll never get there. But you know the antidote for that? Antidote for that? There's a chemical that your brain makes that neutralizes fear. Because fear is a chemical. It's a science to fear. And we, as humans, pick it up. You know, people say you can smell fear when you really can't smell fear. Say, animals can smell fear in you. They really can. There's a certain set of chemicals that take place. Now, unfortunately, we teach our children to be fearful. You know how? By actions. They learn they can't do something based on the fact that you never overachieve. So in front of my children, I overachieve. I do more than is necessary. I push myself to certain limits so they can see that there are no limits. Every time you push a limit, it goes further away. You expand. It's quite an amazing universe that we live in because the more you push it, the bigger it gets. I suppose that many nights, you know, and he passed away from this planet before I was born, but I can only imagine that at nighttime, before he had a big speech or a big rally, he was sitting down in his place and just chilling at his home, trying to catch his breath from what had happened that day. I believe that he sat down and a visitor came in. Good old, familiar acquaintance called fear. I said, well, you know, I know you went to visit the church today and all the folk prayed for you. Children clapped for you and old women cried and said thank you. And we need you so bad. What you're doing is so necessary. But I imagine fear said, now you know, you did all the other stuff, but tomorrow's going to be a rough one for you. You're going to be in front of all them folk, and you're going to get out there in front of all them TV cameras, and people are going to bust your head open. They're going to bust your head open. And you're going to forget your lines, and you're going to be scared. Nobody want to hear this mess, what you're talking about. And it's black folk that don't like what you're saying because you're messing up things for them. Sure enough, an old black woman who was stuck by her fear, who was paralyzed by her own fear, took a pair of scissors and stabbed that man. Sure enough, she hated him because of her fear. She ain't like him because she was afraid.